I mean, we're really excited about the opportunity to now be part of the evolving Health Science Center here at Marshall University. While we enjoyed being with our colleagues at the VA, this is an opportunity for us really to promote interprofessional education and practice that's going to be so essential to patient care in the future. We're also excited that we can be closer to our home campus, that we can participate in some of the elements that are our home campus here. And we're excited that we can be part of this growing Fairfield community here, that we can give back. This has been a great opportunity for our students to interact with members of the Fairfield community, for us to be able to give back to the city of Buffalo and larger areas, to be involved with vaccinations through the local school districts, and just be a part of what pharmacists do in helping patients and their families in managing their care. So Marshall Rising has allowed us to have that flexibility. We're excited about the sign that's out front because the School of Pharmacy is here. It's committed. It's committed to Marshall University. It's committed to Huntington. It's committed to the tri-state area. It's committed to West Virginia to educate the best pharmacists that can really take care of patients and their families. Well, our new facility, Stephen J. Kopp Hall, is really designed with the focus of student-centered learning. And having this beautiful facility where we don't have lecture halls, we have studio classrooms, gives our students ability to learn, actively learn. And I like to tell our students, we don't lecture at you, we learn with you. And these type of studio classrooms, they learn in small groups, which is going to be important to know how to work in teams. This new facility allows us to have access to good parking, access to the campus. It's also a building to be very proud of. It's their home. It's where they can come and feel like that. We've tried to make this a place where there's lots of places for students to study. There's a place for students to have their lunch. There's a place for organizations to meet. And again, it's close to the main campus if they want to take advantage of the rec center, if they want to take advantage of the libraries. This is what Marshall Rising is about. This building, to me, is not only a classroom and a building for pharmacy, but it's a building for the university. This is a building where we can share with our community. Our studio classrooms are perfect for community events. Our studio classrooms are perfect for student organizations. Just gives us an opportunity where we can show how Marshall needs to be that important partner with our city of Huntington and Cabell County and Wayne County and West Virginia. And we're just excited. For our students, it means that they're part of it. We liked being at the VA, but it was a bit remote. Here, they feel like they're part of a campus. They feel like they're part of a health science campus. You know, we now have our friends in the medical school. We have our friends of forensic science. We have the clinics. We have the hospital. Nothing can make you more excited about being a healthcare practitioner if you can see that you know that there are patients around you in ambulatory clinics and the hospital. And that's what I think makes this building so exciting. It really is, to me, part of the entry from our campus to our health science campus. And we're thrilled that we can be here on Hale Greer and be part of this evolving health science campus. Daniel and I have been in academics our whole life. And one of our key premises, what we believe, is that if you work at an institution, you give back. You give back to make that institution a better place. And because we've been blessed to have the resources, we feel it's important that we try to role model to others. You know, that we try to develop scholarships. We try to develop opportunities to advance student learning. So to us, giving back to Marshall and giving back to our community is who Daniel and I are. It's part of our DNA. We want to give back to the community. We want to be contributors because it only takes a little bit from each of us to make this place better. So at every institution we've worked, we've always set a premise that we are going to try to do our best so that we can help make it easier for our students, for our faculty, for our colleagues. And one way for students is to be able to have those scholarships and help to endow a scholarship that will enable one student to maybe have a little less debt so they can go on and pursue what they want to do, their career as a pharmacist. One thing Daniel and I would say is that we've had the privilege and honor to meet a lot of really, truly generous and gracious people that have welcomed us to the community, have welcomed us to the Huntington community, to the tri-state area. And to us, that's been a blessing. You know, you don't get that everywhere. You know, this is, to me, it's the right sized community. It's like Goldilocks. It's not too big, it's not too small, it's just right. And, you know, we feel blessed that we've been able to have great colleagues to work with, great folks to meet. And, you know, to us, it's just a joy each day that we know that we can make a difference, not only at Marshall, but hopefully make a difference to our community. Because at the end of the day, it's one person helping another, and that's what life, it's about giving back. It's about having a positive attitude and helping make your community just a little better each day.